Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add GIF to your Outlook message. So, as you can see, I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook, and to insert a GIF in your email, obviously you want to create a new email. And let's say we want to add some GIF right here. Obviously you're gonna write some messages right here, some message, and add a, recipient. But I'm just going to show you how to add a GIF. So what you want to do is to click the Windows button on your keyboard and dot in the same time. So Windows and a dot right now. Poof. And now we have this Windows window right here. And as you can see, here we have the GIF icon. You want to click on this, and now you can search for tenor GIFs or just choose from the GIFs right here. So for example, let's put maybe Happy Thursday. Today is not Thursday, but whatever. And as you can see, now I had added some GIF. Obviously, you can add some more GIFs. Windows and dot again, going to GIFs, and let's search maybe Spider-Man. And as you can see, we have some dancing Spider-Man. So this is it. This is how you add GIFs to your email in Outlook. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye!